In this video, I want to show you how to fix Instagram messages not sending problem which recently occurred in a new Instagram update. So if you want to fix your Instagram message not sending problem, so you have to simply watch this complete video. I want to show you information which helps you to successfully fix this issue. So first thing, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply update your Instagram app before you want to launch it. And after installation the new update, you have to simply open up your Instagram app. So if you send any message to someone on Instagram DM message feature, so you will find the loading error. So recently I have updated my Instagram app, but still I am seeing this problem. So I want to show you a amazing trick which helps you to successfully fix this issue. So the trick is pretty simple and easy. You have to simply first open up your phone setting, and after that you have to simply search the apps, and on app setting you have to simply find the Instagram setting. So on Instagram setting you have to simply tap on the storage. So if you want to fix this issue, you need to simply clear the cache and data. So this is the technical problem, that's why you need to use this trick. And if you clear the both things and once again you relaunch your Instagram app, so Instagram will ask you the once again login information, and you need to simply fill the login information and once again log in your Instagram account. So you need to simply once again log in your Instagram account. So let me first log in my Instagram account here. And once you log in your Instagram account once again, so you had simply tap on the DM message icon, and now you can simply send any message to someone, so the message will be sent. So I just want to type here hi. So you can see I have sent a message and someone read it. So you can see the problem is fixed by using this trick. So this is pretty simple and easiest way to fix the Instagram messages not sending problem. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to get the more informative videos regarding Instagram updates, so keep subscribe this channel and turn on bell notification icon for to get more latest video updates from this channel. Thank you so much for watching.